Christian? Who's this?
Bubble.
Yeah, this is Bubble. Bubble? Who's that, Christian? Yeah, Bubble. Can you say apple? Can you say apple? Christian, A is for... Christian, apple. Christian, you know the answer. A is for...
Apple.
Yeah. B is for... What's this?
Bubble.
Yeah, bubble. Yeah. Can you say daddy?
Daddy.
Can you say mama? Can you say mama? Ma?
Ma.
Yeah. Mama?
Bubble.
Oh, Bubble's here. You dropped Bubble. Okay.
Bubble.
Yeah. Go find Bubble.
Bubble. Bubble.
Here, you want him? Where did you put him? Oh, here. Here you go.
Yeah.
Okay. Say bye-bye.
Day.
Say bye-bye, Mommy. Bye-bye.
Day.
Yeah.